Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me.
Hey everybody, check this beautiful box out. It's a fold flat box, which just means that it folds flat and then you can put, I don't know, whatever can fit in a 2 by 2 by 5.5 inch box. Super cute. This sentiment is from Sweet Strawberry, just for you right there. This paper is called Berry Delightful, and it is a celebration item, which means that you would have to spend $120 out of a valid catalog in order to receive this bit of pattern paper and this stamp set. Free gift with a purchase of 120 bucks. I'm going to share with you how to make this particular design in a different, or this particular box in a different colorway. I have Granny Apple Green here, 10.5 by 8.5. And on the long side, we're going to score at a half. Oops. 2.5, 8, and 10. We're going to flip it round and score at a half, 2.5, 4.5, and 6.5. We're going to fold and burnish all the score lines, and there are many of them. Okay, we're going to cut away some papers. I'm going to snip on both sides here of that long rectangle, and I'm going to wedge out on this and cut straight this. So it looks like that. Same on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to angle this one, and then I'm going to cut all the way down here and all the way down here. I'm going to cut this one in half, angle, and angle. Then I'm going to remove this one right here, cut down here, cut this one in half, and angle, and angle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the next side. Alrighty, so let's put this box together. That's as much of the adhesive as you need. And to fold in the flaps, fold in the inside, and my box is made. I am going to go around that seam there. I can feel that it is a little off. It's probably my cutting. Perfecto. Let's start decorating. We need 4 pieces of designer series paper or pattern paper that is 1 3/4 by 5 1/4. And then what I did was, well, actually it would have been like that, right? And then I cut the bottom and I'm going to flip it around. So I cut the bottom at 1 3/4. 4 strips that were sized 5 1/4 by 1 3/4. And then I went at 1 3/4 and I cut this off and flipped it around. So that it's all going to match up. It's from the same paper and everything. And it probably would have been easier to adhere these pieces on when it was flat, but I like doing everything difficult. So that's what I'm doing. I quite like this paper. I liked it so much I made it as part of the card kit for this month. So if you purchase something with me, you're going to get a card kit with using some of this really hard to get paper. Well, it's not hard to get, but all right. Anyway, there is 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 for the lid. So I cut that one separately. I always say when you have paper that you absolutely adore and love, then you should put it on a box and then put the box in on display. All right, so this is my Flirty Flamingo version and this is my Granny Apple Green version. This is a stitched rectangle from my rectangle stitched dies. So this is Granny Apple Green. I'm going to ink up my Just For You sentiment. Stick that down. Beautiful. On this one, I have one of the strawberries. So that's the thing. When you cut these, you get like little extra pieces. So this was a little extra piece, and you can see that it has been sliced off, but that's okay because that looks like it was meant to be if I leave a little background like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I betcha I can adhere another funny looking cut off strawberry, and you won't even notice that one. There. Eureka. All right, so I just fussy cut some leaves and such from the designer series paper. I also have some, I'm using my mini glue dots here, and there's some little flowers that I'll adhere as well. Oh, I like that. I'm not sure what colors these are. These are like little pansies almost. Pretty sure strawberry blossoms are white with pink on the inside, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me. That's cute. All right. Love it. I'm going to pop it up on dimensionals. Now the best thing when you are placing this can be a little busy. So what you want to do is you want to place your sentiments so that, like, see that corner is going over a solid piece there? And there? Yeah, so it sticks out a little bit. I did the same with this one because sometimes the white gets pushed back. And then I have some Wink of Stella, and I put all over the strawberries and the blossoms. And then, look at what happened to my fine tip glue pen. My fine tip got glued, even though I had the little pin in it. So now I had to put it in a different bottle, which is fine. And then I jazzed it up. So this is the Golden Garden Designer Series Acetate. And then I just have to label it so I don't forget what it is. So it says fine tip glue, and I just put it in this reusable, glue container. So just with my finger, I don't want to make it thick or anything. I just wanted to add a little bit of shine to the strawberries. So I just kind of went in there with my fingers and right over top of the strawberry. See how that's got a nice sheen to it? And so will this one when this dries. This is the project for today. Hope you liked it. I'll put a direct link in the description bar below so that you can go to the blog post that has all of the details. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.